Yo, we got some mail. 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 It's Noble Credit. Let's get into this video. It's the Bank of America Premium Rewards Elite credit card. Right now, it's July of 2023. I applied for this card at the very end of June of 2023. And then after I applied for it, I released a video on the application process that got me approved for the card. I had over 750 credit scores. So if you're looking for that data point to get approved for the card, there you go. 750 FICO score, right? So use Experian to check your credit score. Don't use Credit Karma. You can use Credit Karma, but don't take that score. That's your Vantage score. Your FICO score is what Bank of America is going to use. So use that score, then apply for the card. I released a video for that, and I walk you through the application process. So if you're interested in this card at all, go to that video, check it out, and then let me know once you get approved. But this video is going to be an unboxing video for the card, and I must say, this is one of the sexiest credit cards I've ever had, and I have a lot of credit cards. This is a top 5 sexiest credit cards that I have. Actually, I would say it's top 2, and it's not 2. This is the sexiest credit card that I have. You excited to see this card? I'm excited to give it to you. I'm excited to go through the benefits for you. Let's go. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how I'm getting the $550 annual fee on this card waived. Now, without further ado, let's turn this camera around and unbox this bad boy right now. All right, let's rip open this bad boy. We got the Bank of America Premium Rewards Elite credit card. This is a pretty nice box it came in. Nice black box, pretty solid. By the way, go ahead and hit that like button on this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload more videos just like this. Okay, so nice sleek black box that it came in. It's pretty nice. Let's open this up. All right, so we got a nice little pamphlet that has some benefits and rewards. All right, so we're just gonna toss this to the side over there with the other box, and we're gonna open this up in a second. Let's go ahead and take a look at this card. Now, would you look at that? This is definitely a magnificent looking card. I would say it is top 2 sexiest cards that I have, and it's not 2. So the Bank of America Premium Rewards Elite credit card comes with a $550 annual fee. So there must be some benefits about this card that make it worth having. We're going to go through all those benefits right now. Oh, and this is the credit limit that I was approved for, $20,000. You can see that. $20,000 credit limit for a $550 annual fee card. It must come with some really good benefits. And I'll say this card is definitely worth it within the first year, especially if you get the sign-up bonus that I'm getting at the current moment, which is there's a 75,000 bonus point offer when you spend $5,000 within the first 90 days of having the card. So that is the promotion that I'm under. Maybe by the time you see this video, it's down to 50, but hopefully it's not. Hopefully it stays at 75, but it's obviously worth it within the first year if it's a 75,000 point promotion, especially considering this card comes with a $300 travel credit as well as a $150 lifestyle credit. So that's $450 right there. That's pretty liquid. You can use that pretty easily. And then you get global entry that comes with this card, which comes with TSA Pre-check. And they give you $100 toward that. So you have your annual fee covered by those 3 things. And then this bonus is worth $750. However, when redeemed for travel, that bonus is worth 20% more. So you're going to get that at 1.2 cents per point when redeemed through the Bank of America travel portal. And then with this bonus, it pays for itself for at least a few years. Welcome to the Bank of America Premium Rewards Elite card. And I opened this up and I read through the benefits beforehand. So I can definitely breeze you guys through these benefits, and some of the most important benefits, some of the more intricate benefits, I can talk to those as well. Unlimited points earning is going to earn you 1.5 cents per point on all purchases, and then it's going to give you 2x on travel and dining. And then you can redeem your points for travel, cash rewards, concierge, gift cards. They have a number of different gift cards you can use. However, I recommend you use it for travel because you're going to increase what the points are worth. Your points are worth 1 cent per point with this card. However, when you redeem for travel, they're worth 1.2 cents per point. All right. Valuable air travel credit savings. That's that $300 travel credit, and then $150 lifestyle credit right there. $300 annual airline incidental statement credit. So this airline incidental statement credit, I'm going to use my United Travel hack to try to get this $300 into my United Travel wallet. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for how I plan on doing that. Like I said in the beginning, you get a $100 statement credit for global entry and TSA Pre-check. I recommend getting global entry because it comes with TSA Pre-check. Now, TSA Pre-check costs $85, so I recommend getting global entry. It covers both, and it's every 4 years. 20% savings on airfare when you pay with points. This just means your points are worth more, 1.2 cents per point. And then this cart is also going to come with Priority Pass membership. Priority Pass is pretty big. That's a big deal because when you go through airports, some airports, they're going to have a decent Priority Pass lounge, and this is going to save you a lot of money, especially if you travel with more than one person. Food in the airport gets expensive. If you have a free buffet in an airport, then that makes traveling way easier and way less costly. Okay, you get some hotel benefits, you get Visa Infinite benefits. I don't put too much stock into this, even though if this is your only premium credit card, you may put some stock into this. However, it costs a decent amount of money to book these really nice luxury hotels. So the free breakfast for two, yes, they are nice, but they are nice teas on top of what already costs a lot of money to have. If you're interested in that, yes, it comes with this. I'm going to try to pronounce this, but it's called the Relais Chateau. You get some rental car benefits with Avis, National, Hertz, and Audi on demand. With Avis, you get President's Club membership. These are actually pretty good deals. 30% off the base rate. I also see in here it says free weekend rentals and up to 10% off base rates on select series rentals. So that's definitely worth checking out. You save 25% on national rentals. I'm sure they have some savings for Hertz. They have a cruise program, a vacations package program. These are obviously going to be decently priced, pretty expensive things to take advantage of for the car, but a nice benefit nonetheless. One of the benefits of having these very nice credit cards is that they come with so many perks and benefits. If you're already planning on spending a lot of money on your travel, this is going to make it even much more worth it for you to do so. There's no foreign transaction fees. You get trip cancellation and trip interruption insurance. You get baggage delay insurance, emergency evacuation coverage, travel emergency assistance services, roadside dispatch, auto rental collision, damage waiver, which auto CDW is the insurance that your rental car is going to ask you to try to pay for. However, you don't have to actually pay for it because with this card, you get auto CDW, travel accident insurance, trip delay insurance, lost luggage reimbursement, all pretty self-explanatory. You get that lifestyle credit, $150 lifestyle credit to be used on food delivery, video streaming services, fitness subscriptions, and rideshare services. I'm still not 100% on how I plan on using this credit. I might use it for my gym membership. I might use it to get Netflix. We'll see. Full service concierge. This is actually a pretty big deal because concierge is going to be helpful for you if you need to make plans. One of the things that I don't like about concierge is that it adds an extra step to, let's say you tell the concierge service your travel plans. You say, oh, okay, I'm trying to go to either Toronto in 2 weeks or I'm trying to go to Birmingham, Alabama next month. Which one is going to be more cost effective? Which one is going to give me the best deal? It's like you could have done all of that. Instead of explaining to him what you need, you could have Google Flights the entire thing before you even called him. And that would have saved you a huge step. So, a fan of concierge, but I don't use it all that much. It's probably, it would be very rare for me to use it. There's a food and wine benefit, which includes savings at 50 select Sonoma County wineries. Sonoma County, that's where Napa Valley is. I've actually been in Napa Valley, so this would be a decent reason to go back. Actually, there's a wine tour in Napa Valley that owes me a free wine tour, so I need to get with them on that. And then some other unique VIP experiences that you can get with this card. There's a golf benefit with this card. There's a shipped benefit, a Skillshare benefit. Skillshare benefit is going to give you 3 months free for Skillshare, and then after that, it's going to be 30% off once they start charging your card. So that's pretty good. I might actually take them up on that offer and try to take some courses on Skillshare. See what I like. Okay, and this is just going to talk about how safe the card is. Let's take a look at the card again. It's got chip technology, it's contactless, even though you can't see it from the front, it's contactless. And then this talks about the rewards program a little bit more and all the intricate details behind all of these benefits. So one of the things I had to look up with this card is how the $300 travel incidental credit worked. Now, it does not work on every airline. It only works on certain airlines. I'll tell you which US based carriers it does not work for. It does not work for Allegiant, it does not work for Spirit, and it does not work for another one. I'll tell you which ones it does work for. It works for the main characters, United, Southwest, Delta, American, and then it works for some of the smaller ones like Alaska or Frontier. Yes, it works for Frontier. It works for a few others, just to name a few. Now, I was worried about this because I was worried to see what was going to qualify as an airline incidental purchase because I plan on using this pretty liquidly. So I'm going to use this on the United Travel Credit and see if just because the merchant category code, the MCC for United's travel wallet, basically when you load your credit card onto the travel wallet for however much money you're going to load it for, it's going to code as a certain code. I'm hoping that the code that it codes as is the code that I needed to code as to get the statement credit, but we shall see about that. Okay, so we almost forgot to weigh the Bank of America Premium Rewards Elite credit card. I have a big group of metal credit cards right here and the Discover It card right there. We're going to compare the weights of all these metal credit cards, and then at the end, we're going to see where the Premium Reward Elite ranks amongst all of these metal credit cards. Why do I have so many? Man, you got to follow the channel, hit the subscribe button. Let's go. All right, first we're going to weigh the Charles Schwab Platinum credit card by American Express. Let's see what that weighs in at. All right, Charles Schwab Platinum weighs in at 19 grams. All right, so we already know we're going to have this pretty much at the top. All right, and we're going to weigh it from left to right. Let's weigh the Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant credit card. 15. All right, let's throw that down a little further. Let's throw that right around there. Let's weigh the Delta Sky Miles Reserve credit card. 18, 17. Okay, so we'll put this right next to the Platinum card. Let's weigh this City Prestige credit card. City Prestige weighing in at 17. Okay, so right next to the Delta Sky Miles. All right, next we got the US Bank Altitude Reserve. Let's see where you're weighing in at. 15 for the Altitude Reserve. So that's right next to the Bonvoy Brilliant. We have the Chase Ritz-Carlton credit card. The new one, not the old one. 13 grams. Okay, so we're going to place this below, right down here. Right below the US Bank Altitude Reserve. The Citi AA Advantage Executive Award Elite MasterCard. Okay, weighing in at 18 grams. I think that moves the Delta Reserve out of the way. Next, we have the Business Platinum card. 19 grams, so the same as the Platinum card, so we'll consider this the exact same. Okay, the exact same. Next, we have the Discover It credit card, which should weigh about 5 grams. And 5 grams. All right, so this is going to be at the bottom. Next, we have the Chase Sapphire Reserve. Weighing at 13 grams. We're going to put this right next to the Ritz-Carlton credit card. Next, we have the United Mileage Plus Club Visa Infinite credit card. 13 grams. We'll put this right next to the Chase Sapphire Reserve. All right. And last but not least, the Bank of America Premium Rewards Elite Credit Card. What is this going to weigh in at? Go ahead and take your guess in the comment section below. All right. Hope you put your guesses in. Let's weigh it. Bank of America Premium Rewards Elite Credit Card weighing in at 17 grams. Let's do a reweigh. Bank of America Premium Rewards Elite. 17 grams. How much did that Delta Sky Miles Reserve credit card weigh in at? 18. All right. So the only card on par with the Bank of America Premium Rewards Elite credit card was the Citi Prestige. So in terms of ranking, this is how they would rank out. It would go Platinum cards first at 19 grams. Then it would go Citi, American Airlines, A-Advantage Executive World Elite MasterCard at 18 grams. Then it would go Delta Sky Miles Card Reserve once again. Then the Citi Prestige and the Bank of America Premium Rewards Elite Credit Card at 17 grams. And then the Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant at 15 grams. And then we have the U.S. Bank Altitude Reserve at 15 grams. And then we have the Chase Ritz-Carlton card at 15 grams. And then we have the Chase Sapphire Reserve at 13 grams. And then we have the United Club Visa Infinite card at 13 grams. And then we have the Discover It credit card, which is a normal credit card, coming in at 5 grams. Like the video. Oh, and the way that I plan on getting this annual fee waived is through the Military Lending Act. Word on the street is that once your statement close date comes around and you're an active duty service member, Bank of America is going to waive the annual fee on this card. So my first statement close date is on July 27th. On that date, if I see that they waive the annual fee, I will report it. If I see that they do not waive the annual fee, I will report that. But I will keep you in the know just in case you are following me on this Bank of America Premium Rewards Elite Credit Card journey. And do me 3 quick favors. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload more videos. I'm really trying to put money into you guys' pockets using credit cards. So do me a favor and do that. If you think about applying for any American Express credit cards or Chase credit cards, use the links in my description box below. It really helps out the channel and I appreciate it. And now I need to take off because I got $5,000 to spend on this card within 90 days. So there's no time to waste. So let's go.